I used to play a stupid game. I'm dumb and blind like Mechanica, ignoring all the nice and glorious things. I fall into dreams, dreams within a dream. I'm Superman, I do the very best I can. I fall asleep to fall in love with a star. That happens so far. Neither artificial person nor a robot in the flesh. I'm inside a little broken. I'm unable to refresh. But when the thunder of unspoken words comes down, I will hear my mother's call. In the thick of things around, I will find my own way home. When the thunder of unspoken words comes down, I will hear my mother's call. Around, I will find my own way home. Fears of disagree with all the rest, of having not just all the best. How everyone is happy only in words, and it really hurts, hurts. 1000 hertz is my heartbeat when I am going down the street. No one can make a choice for me anyhow. Right here, right now. Neither artificial person nor a robot in the flesh. I'm inside a little broken. I'm unable to refresh. But when the thunder of unspoken words comes down, I will hear my mother's call. And one day within the thick of things around, I will find my own way home. Whoa. When the thunder of unspoken words comes down, I will hear my mother's call. The thick of things around, I will find my own way home. Late at midnight, the streets are attracting you. You are putting aside all your fears. The city knows every move that you're gonna do. The city doesn't believe in your tears. Everybody is smiling and hiding guns. You're a part of a hangout bazaar. Open your eyes and just look at all your friends. You will come out how lonely you are. Late at midnight, the city is calling you. You are diving into your iPhone, loving girls and I'm truly respecting guys. Day by day you are left so alone. You're in whirlpool and nothing is really new. Everybody still calls you a star, but nobody that's kind of close to you ever tells you how lonely you are. Sometimes they kill, sometimes they flirt, sometimes they heal. But these are just words. If you got yourself confusing when I left you all alone, if you ran a long way from home and found a heart of stone, hold on, try to stop just for a moment. You just need a little time. Get my face right out of mine and stop scream and cry. That's why the reason's empty words that you can speak so easily. It really so much hurts. Oh, even when you're kissing me, you try to run away from flashes of your consciousness, but you will have to pay for disregarding common sense. Now it's time to talk it over. When you scream, there's no reply. When you're reading out my mind, there's nothing to find. You're right, the reason's empty words that you can speak so easily. It really so much hurts. Oh, even when you're kissing me, you try to run away from flashes of your consciousness, but you will have to pay for disregarding common sense.
is about to begin. On this battle depends the survival of civilization. On it depends our own British life and the long continuity of our institutions.
Faded, she left me in a state. I needed things translated before it was too late. The year was of the rabbit, we both got on so nice. Did she dislike my habits? Her heart is full of ice. Fine as sakura flower, strong as karate fighter, sharp as samurai Belgian. That is Hachika love. I'm lonely in my kitchen, just thinking of that girl. I feel the idol breaching, for she's desired pearl. If she comes back time later, I'll never get enough. 'Cause nothing can be greater than dark eternal love. Fine as sakura flower, strong as karate fighter, sharp as samurai Belgian. That is Hachika love. Fine as sakura flower, strong as karate fighter, sharp as samurai Belgian. That is Hachika love. Can't get enough. Eternal love. What's the time? Seems that it's already morning. Icy sky, it's so beautiful and blue. The TV's on, but the only picture showing is a provocative video with you. I'm wasting my time, I'm losing my mind. Say really hard to obtain. My friends keep telling what's going on. The time will show I get over you. The silly game of love that you won will come up with the shit that you do. I get up and make myself some coffee. I try to read a bit, but story's gone. Thank the Lord above that you're not here to see me in the state where I'm all alone. I'm wasting my time. I'm losing my mind. Say, where are you now? I'll get you somehow. And if you're ever gonna come back, my life will be so happy again. And maybe I will write my best track, but this is really hard to obtain. My friends keep telling what's going on. The time will show I get over you. The silly game of love that you won will come up with the shit that you do.
it was tried repeatedly without success to obtain a list of the hundreds of American prisoners held by the North Vietnamese. Well, apparently the Pentagon has found out who a lot of those men are, despite Hanoi's lack of cooperation. CBS News has learned that one of those 3 Americans released by the communists last month, Air Force Captain Wesley Rumble, has a photographic memory. And when he learned of his imminent release, he memorized the name of every fellow prisoner he had seen or even heard mentioned. And the first thing Rumble did on his return to this country was to put the entire list down on a tape recorder. The Defense Department, without confirming the Rumble story, did disclose that some of the information obtained from Rumble and the 2 other detainees was able to identify more than 50 American prisoners. And at that very time,
Love is my family. Walking my dog, caring for my dog, going to my grandpa's house.
Someone loves me, that I should love them back because they would want to be treated the way I am.
Love is many things. Aristotle said love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies.
Love is when you feel a happiness inside and you would like to share it with the world.
People show me love by making me dinner every day, putting food on the table, clothes on my back.
People show me love by my teacher. She always gives me hugs. And my mom, she says, I love you.
You'll find someone who they truly know, and then they know them for like a long time, and get to know each other, they love each other.
this could be the last day we see each other.
Go out and feed the homeless, especially when they have homeless animals. I give them food and water. And whenever my dogs are sick, I take care of them. And whenever I'm sick, they take care of me.
Love is caring for someone so deeply that you accept them for who they are.
Love is like magic, kind of. It flies around everywhere and everyone falls in love sooner or later.
Things you love doing a lot, you try and accomplish it however you want, just as long as you accomplish it. And that's what love is.
When they are trying to protect me, and you could give them advice to help them feel safe.
Knows who you really are inside and knows your feelings and what you think. And, yeah. Just